All right, guys, I got a problem. I've been shooting a bunch of film lately. I've been using this Nikon FG that I've been using since college, this thing. And apparently it's got some issues because I'm seeing a bunch of weird blobby. That tells me that I've got a light leak somewhere in this guy. Light is getting in where it's not supposed to and causing these streaks and. So we're going to take this thing back to see Alan. We can have this fixed up right here at Dan's.
Hi, Scott.
Hi, Alan. So I've been shooting some film with this thing. I haven't really used it in about 20 years, and the first roll of film I put through it, we're seeing a bunch of... I want you to take a look at this and see what's going on here.
Well, that would be a common problem for a camera of this vintage. The light seal material they used in these was a petroleum-based foam, and after 20 years it breaks down and becomes a goopy, pasty mess. They use it around the film door, and they also use it as a mirror cushion to prevent the mirror from slapping against the metal in here.
Oh, all right.
So, so it's an easy repair. It can be taken care of. It's $69.99. Takes about 2 weeks, and that'll stop all your light leaks, and I'll go over the whole camera, clean and check it, make sure everything's functioning.
Sounds good. All right.